Hi kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We are going to continue our syllable work where we are going to be working with vowels that are controlled by the letter R, the R sound. We're going to be listening and looking for words that have that R controlled vowel sound in the first syllable and the second syllable, and we're going to be working with the vowel A today. So I'll go ahead and take a peek at your list. We'll talk about some words that you might not know. We do have one oddball this week, so we'll be talking about that. And I'll be showing you the pattern with your sorts for your headers. All right, here we go. In the first column, we have garden, careful, carpet, toward, marble, fairy, partner, barber. Second column, we have airplane, market, despair, haircut, repair, hardly, beware, barely. And then last column we have compare, aware, parents, harvest, carry, declare, pardon, dairy. A couple words, despair means a great deal of sadness, and declare, another word you might not know, means like to kind of make a statement, or like in a very powerful way. All right, let's look at our headers this week. We have the first syllable where you hear the R sound, but it's spelled A-R. So whenever you're clapping out your words, if you hear R spelled A-R, you're going to put that under the first syllable for A-R. Like in the word garden, the R really takes over that A. So garden. When I clap it out, garden, I hear the R sound in that first syllable. Now the second part is tricky because they're talking about long A's, but because of the R, you're not actually going to hear it really say A. You're going to hear more air. They still consider that a long vowel sound. So when I'm talking about the first syllable long A, in this word right here, airplane, when I clap it out, airplane, I hear that sound air in that first syllable. Here, I'll put the cuts in there too, so you can see where the claps are. And then our last header, we have that air sound coming in the second syllable. So when I read the word compare, here's my cut, here's my air sound created by the A-R-E. You're going to have to really look at those words this week too when you're studying for that long A sound. It can be spelled a couple different ways. We see the A-R-E, we see A-I-R, we even see A-R. So just be careful while you're looking at that. All right, let's talk about our oddball this week. We have the word toward, like moving forward to somebody or something. So you're not hearing R or air, you're almost hearing or, toward. So that's an oddball this week, but there is an AR in it. So it follows the pattern of the spelling, but it doesn't follow the pattern of the sound. So you're going to place that in your oddball section. If you have any other words in here that you are not sure about, please raise your hand and we can help you. It's time to grab your scissors and happy sorting.